Hi students, welcome to SIMAGURU. Today we are going to study about a concept of pseudo force. Here there is a block having mass small m over a wedge. If wedge is at rest with respect to that block, with respect to the wedge, the block is also at rest. Now the condition here is the wedge is under the external force where it moves with an acceleration a. Then the block experiences certain pseudo force. That pseudo force, if makes the block be at stationary with respect to wedge, the block moves along with wedge. But with respect to wedge, if the block is stationary, relatively the motion of the block with respect to wedge is stationary. That is completely under the action of pseudo force. That pseudo force makes this body, the block, does not fall with mg sin theta. Now I would like to explain actually what happens over there. Here is the block, wedge, and here is the block. Think the wedge is at rest. Then you know this is theta, this is mg, this is normal reaction. The mg resolve into two components. This is nothing but mg sin theta, this is mg cos theta. If it is not under the external force. So the block moves, falls down with a force that is equal to mg sin theta. That means ma force is equal to mg sin theta. Then with what acceleration it drops down? It drops down with an acceleration that is equal to g sin theta. But the condition now here is, now we applied a force over the wedge, not directly over the block. Then it starts moving with certain acceleration a. Then initially drops down with mg sin theta, but gradually it experiences pseudo force. That pseudo force stops that one, what you call it as, with respect to that wedge. What happens during that time? See, this is the force ma in this direction. Then there acts opposite force, pseudo force, exactly opposite to that. As it is horizontal here, no? See, you have to draw that ma. Whatever the red I have drawn here is nothing but pseudo force. Pseudo force exists only because of that external force. Pseudo force is dependent. It's not supposed to be developed of its own. This ma resolve into two components, like this and like this. This is theta and here it is theta. This is theta. So it is ma cos theta. This is ma sin theta, which resolve into two components. Then if it is at rest with respect to this, that means whatever mg sin theta is balanced by ma cos theta. If mg sin theta is greater than ma cos theta, that pseudo force supposed to be act over there, that mg sin theta could compensate, and more than that, then it drops down with mg sin theta minus ma cos theta. If it stops means mg sin theta balances ma cos theta. Ma cos theta is equal to mg sin theta, or ma cos theta minus mg sin theta is equal to 0. Why 0? The resultant force becomes 0. This is the condition where it's supposed to stops with respect to wedge. Wedge and block will move, but with respect to wedge, block is stationary. Then the downward push mg sin theta is compensated by ma cos theta. M cancel. Then a is equal to g sin theta by cos theta. Nothing but g tan theta. Important point. See, if there is no external force over the wedge, the block moves with a is equal to g sin theta. if there is any external force that prevents the block not to move, being stationary with respect to wedge because of the pseudo force, then acceleration is equal to G tan theta. At that time, what is the normal reaction force the block receives from the surface of the wedge? See here. Normal reaction force N is equal to mg sin theta, mg cos theta plus mg sin theta. mg cos theta before that, and because of some pseudo force orientation, ma sin theta. What is A here? The A is nothing but G tan theta. So N is equal to mg cos theta plus m, acceleration with what is that acceleration? G tan theta into sin theta. Now come over there here. Therefore, N is equal to mg cos theta plus mg cos theta plus m g tan theta. Tan theta means sin by cos into sin theta. Okay, now N is equal to mg cos theta plus mg sin square theta by cos theta. We take LCM. LCM is nothing but cos theta. Here 1 cos theta times, so mg cos square theta plus only one time, that is nothing but mg sin square theta. If you take common, it is mg sin square theta plus cos square theta by cos theta. As you know, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. We can say N is equal to how much? Mg by cos theta. Very important concept here. This is whenever that wedge is under external force, if the block supposed to be stopped and moves with respect to this, along with wedge the block moves, but with respect to wedge the block is stationary, then that acceleration should be g tan theta, and the normal reaction the block receives is nothing but mg by cos theta. The same concept g sin theta, g tan theta and n is equal to mg by cos theta could be easily derived in another way. Now we'll see. See this diagram? The same condition, which is under the action of the force. The wedge is moving with an acceleration A. The block receives a red, that is nothing but pseudo force MA. How much you applied over there, that much. It is moving with an acceleration A, so it's supposed to receive what you call it as MA. Now I explain the same concept with respect to normal reaction. This is the normal reaction that resolves into two components. N cos theta, that is balances mg. If the block is supposed to be at rest with respect to that wedge, that means MA is balanced by n sin theta. N sin theta balances M. Okay? N cos theta is equal to mg. That means n is equal to mg by cos theta. See how simply we can get it. Equation 1 we derived in another way. Now I want MA. I want acceleration with which it is supposed to be moving. MA is nothing but n sin theta. But what is n? N is nothing but mg by cos theta. Mg by cos theta into sin theta is nothing but mg tan theta is equal to MA. M cancel, then what is acceleration? Acceleration is equal to g tan theta. So first of all, we supposed to derive that one with respect to that wedge and as well as what you call it as block. Now we derive the same with respect to what you call it as that normal reaction, that acceleration is equal to g tan theta. Very important concern to that pseudo force concept. Hope you understand.